Filipina with dignity and heart on stage and beyond it. This is her final walk as Miss Universe Philippines. Let's take a look back at the amazing journey of our reigning queen. Please watch this.
I don't even remember a life before pageantry. It feels like most of my life, pageantry has been there. It was always one of the dreams to be Miss Universe. It wasn't the only dream, but it is a dream of mine. It feels so embedded in my life that it's hard to just pull that experience and quantify what I learned from it because it has been there, it has been present for 18 years of my life, most of my life. After a while, when I stepped on the national stage, then I realized that I have more responsibility, more than just to myself. And ever since then, I thought that, okay, I have to be an example and I have to serve as a symbol of something. I've always thought that my life experiences, being hardworking, being persistent, is something that I could show people that with these values, when you know what you're fighting for and when you know what you want to achieve, hard work, patience, persistence, these are the things that can make your dream come true. Of course, having the backup of the Miss Universe Philippines organization, it helps to know that your organization is behind you all the way, na hindi lang ikaw yung lumalaban. Every who you are and who you're going to be in the future. Only you can define your own story.